Did you know that only a few types of businesses are responsible for making more than 70% of the world's super wealthy people? Yep, it's true. And the reason these businesses make so much money is because they have some things in common. The really rich people know about this. So, if you want to improve your chances of becoming super rich too, why not check out this video? It talks about 12 industries that create billionaires. Welcome to top-tier success, your ultimate destination for business, investing, and self-development. Our mission is to guide you towards financial freedom and living life on your own terms. If you haven't subscribed yet, you're missing out on valuable insights that could truly transform your life. Number 1. Real estate. Real estate means buying and selling land and buildings. This industry makes people rich because land is limited. And as more people need places to live and work, the value of land goes up. People who buy property and rent it out can make money from rent payments. And by selling the property later at a higher price. Real estate can also be bought using loans, helping people own valuable assets and increase their wealth over time. Donald Bren and Wang Jianlin are examples of billionaires who made their fortunes in real estate. Number 2. Biotechnology and healthcare. The healthcare and biotech industry creates billionaires because it's all about improving health and making new treatments. Companies and people who find new solutions to health problems can make a lot of money. Creating new medicines and treatments takes a lot of effort and money. But if they work, they can become really valuable. The high costs and tough regulations in this field mean that when someone does succeed, they can make a fortune. Think about the inventors of cancer drugs or COVID-19 vaccines. Their innovations have helped a lot of people and made them super rich. Number 3. Artificial intelligence, AI, and machine learning, ML. AI and ML are like computer brains that help in healthcare, finance, and more. This helps businesses save money and make cool stuff people want. The neat thing is, once you make a good AI program, you can use it in many places. The rich get richer in this field because it's tough to get started. You need lots of money, smart people, and data. So, a few big players make most of the wealth. Number 4. Financial services and fintech. This is the money industry that made the Wolf of Wall Street famous. It's easy to see why it can make people super rich. This industry deals with handling money and transactions worldwide. By coming up with new ways to handle money better, like through technology, fintech, billionaires emerge. As our world gets more connected, the need for smart money solutions grows. This gives creative entrepreneurs a chance to make lots of money. They use advanced tech to change old ways, make new markets, and earn big profits. Number 5. Tech industry. Tech companies can grow really fast without needing tons of money up front. They make digital things that can reach lots of people easily. Think about social media. More users mean a better product, which brings even more users. This cycle makes tech companies huge. The internet lets these companies reach people all around the world, making them super rich. Number 6. Virtual and augmented reality, VR and AR. You've heard about VR and AR, right? These technologies make cool immersive experiences possible, like in gaming and education. The demand for these experiences is huge, and that's why this industry is booming. People who create these awesome tech solutions can become billionaires. For instance, the guy who started Oculus, a VR company, sold it to Facebook for a huge amount. VR and AR have the potential to change lots of things, from entertainment to education. And the folks who make it happen can make a lot of money. Number 7. Space exploration and commercial travel. People like Jeff Bezos, Richard Branson, and Elon Musk invest a lot of money in space stuff. Going to space is a fancy experience that not many can afford. This industry is growing because of cool technology improvements like reusable rockets and better materials. Plus, there are resources in space that we can use. Rich folks see this as a chance to make money and do cool things for humanity. Number 8. Green and renewable energy. People want clean energy that doesn't harm the planet. This has made the green energy industry huge. Technology keeps improving, making solar panels and wind turbines cheaper and more effective. Companies in this industry make a lot of money by providing clean energy. Tesla, led by Elon Musk, is a big name in electric cars and solar power. These innovations help fight climate change and make money for their creators, turning them into billionaires. Number 9. E-commerce. E-commerce means buying and selling things online. This industry makes billionaires because it's easy to reach many customers without needing a physical store. Creative ideas and good business plans can grow quickly online. Using data and smart tech, online shops can give people what they want, keeping them happy and coming back. Businesses like Shopify and JD.com have done this well, making their founders, like Tobias Lutke and Lou Kingdong, very rich. Number 10. Entertainment and streaming services. Think about all the movies, shows, and music you watch and listen to online. That's the entertainment and streaming services industry. It's big because the internet lets people all over the world enjoy content easily. The more people use a service, the more valuable it becomes. This helps platforms like Netflix and Amazon Prime make a ton of money. People behind these platforms, like Netflix's CEO Reed Hastings and Amazon's Jeff Bezos, become billionaires because they offer what everyone wants: great entertainment. Number 11. Blockchain and cryptocurrencies. Cryptocurrencies are digital money, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, and they're based on a technology called blockchain. This industry makes billionaires because digital money is getting really popular. People use cryptocurrencies to buy things and invest. Blockchain tech keeps transactions safe and private. As this technology spreads, new businesses and applications pop up, making people like Brian Armstrong and Changpeng Zhao rich. As more people accept and use digital money, the industry keeps growing and making money for those who understand it. Number 12. Electric vehicles and autonomous driving. Electric cars and self-driving cars are a tough industry, but they can change how we travel. People want eco-friendly and smart ways to get around. Innovators in this industry make electric cars and cars that drive themselves. This can be hard, but some, like Trevor Milton and Lee Ben, have done it. They saw the potential for cleaner and smarter transportation, and their efforts made them rich. And that concludes the rundown of the 12 industries that produce billionaires. Now, we're curious to hear from you. Which industry are you currently involved in, and would you consider switching? Share your thoughts in the comments below. We appreciate your input. For sticking around until the end, this is your bonus. Number 13. Luxury industry. The luxury industry makes billionaires because it sells expensive and exclusive things. People want status symbols and unique experiences. Luxury brands charge a lot for their products, and people are willing to pay. Bernard Arnault, the CEO of LVMH, and François Pinault, the founder of Kering, made their fortunes by owning famous luxury brands like Louis Vuitton, Gucci, and more. Creating a brand that's known for luxury can make a lot of money. If you found this information useful, remember to show your support by giving us a thumbs up and sharing. Thank you for watching, and as always, your engagement is much appreciated.